Today I'm just going to talk about the various ways that search results can be presented in Cherwell's client tool as well as in the browser or portal. Most of the time by default what you see is what we call the grid view, and that is strictly what we're looking at here, which is just a list of columns with each record shown with the various names. Of course, you can customize these grids personally, or you can also customize the default grid from a blueprint. You also have some other great options to filter and sort using the grid view. The other view that is available is what's called the search results view, and if you go up to your view menu, what you find is there is a selection here called results in grid. By default, for most users, this is what is selected. If I uncheck this or unselect the results in grid, what I get back is actually the search results style view, which is a list of links. These links show, again, at the very top, in this case, for incidents, it shows the incident ID as well as the status and the requester. Additionally, it shows the last updated date and who updated it, the category and subcategory, and then a brief description. This is all customizable as well within the Cherwell Blueprint Manager. And I'll just go ahead and show you real quick what that looks like by pulling up my admin tool. Now I already have a blueprint open, and if I go to the incident object and edit the business object, we go into the business object properties, and what you'll see here is a search results selection in the left pane, and this is actually what controls what shows up in that search results list. This is of course also configurable by view, so if you want the search results list to look different from a portal view or from any other custom view that you might create based on role, you can change this per view. You see here's the list of fields that show up in the link. Again, the incident ID, the status, and the requester name, or customer display name as we call it. We can also show the last modified subtitle. Includes label, that actually just includes the label for the fields, so if I actually check this box for any of these fields, it would show, incident ID, then the incident ID number, status, then the status, customer display name, then the actual customer name. On the right side is the body text, again, the category, subcategory, and then the actual description are shown in the search results list here. As you can see, they are using includes label for category and subcategory. That's what this little icon on the left means. And then for the description, they're not actually using the label, it's just the description itself. Now if I wanted to change this to be more descriptive or less descriptive depending on the view, I would change it here. Going back to the actual results list, this is actually probably more useful in a portal view or in a web view. This again shows up basically as a hyperlink. I don't find it quite as useful in the Smart Client, but it really is just a matter of preference for your users, and they have the ability to change back and forth. So again, if you just go to the View menu, click Results in Grid, it goes back to the grid view, and then I can customize my grid to show what I want. I can group, again, using the grid. I can actually group by status or any other thing. I can also reset it back to the default, and it shows me everything.